Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to reduce photo size on your Windows 11 easily and quickly. In this video we'll learn this guys. So for this guys, I am not going to use any third-party software. So this is the inbuilt settings to reduce your file size. Okay, so first you need to right click on your image. You need to open your image on the Photos app like this. Okay, after opening here, you can get the three dots option. Just click on it, and here you can get the option resize image. Just click on it. From here now you can easily able to resize your image. Okay, so just type your width and height, and after this guys just click on save. That's it. Okay, so this is the very easy and very simple method to quickly resize your photos on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.